Umholi we-African Christian Democratic Party umfundisi Kenneth Meshweni ephini lakhe Wintering basemkhankasweni wokhetho eMbombela eMpumalanga. Umfundisi uMeshe uthi iqembu lakhe alifuna ukunqoba umasipala esifundazweni kodwa lifuna izihlalo esifundazweni.
Currently, we are not talking about winning. We are talking about being part of all municipalities. Okay, we're not talking about winning yet because we know that many of our guys are still new. Okay, we know that in Mpumalanga. And because of that, we believe that people have to be given the skills, people have to be trained, people have to know what they have to do.
Ukhale kakhulu ngomasipala ongazange unakekele abantu baseMbombela wathembisa ngokuthumela izidingo emphakathini.
Municipalities have wrong people to solve the issues of maintenance and to ensure that things do not break down before they are attended to. And with potholes again, when there is a sign that there is a crack in the road, it should be immediately dealt with, closed and fixed so that you don't have big holes.
Kusenjalo ne-Action SA iyakhankasa eGoli. Umholi wayo uHerman Mashaba ukhuluma ngezinhlelo zeqembu zokuthi lizovuselela kanjani izakhiwo ezingasanakiwe eGoli. Uthi lezi zakhiwo uzokwazi ukuziguqula zibe izindawo zokuhlala abantu ezisezingeni ukuze kuhlonipheke isithunzi sabantu.
I'm going to take back these cities, these hijacked buildings, and turn them into affordable accommodation, turn the city of Johannesburg into a construction site.
Uthi abantu kufanele bangene kuleli ngokusemthethweni.
Immigration into this country must be controlled. We want people of the world to come to South Africa. We want them, when they're here, they must firstly come to South Africa legally. And when they're here in South Africa, please respect our laws. If not, the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, that those people must be sent back to their own countries.